What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm for the month of May. Before you guys get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And if you happen to enjoy this video and you enjoy me, make sure you give this video a thumbs up because I really appreciate it. But yeah, it's going to be short and sweet and we're going to get right into the video. So because it's already the end of May almost, I've already seen other social media about this particular box, so I know that it is going to be, the theme is going to be Boxy Bash. This is the anniversary of when Boxycharm originated, I believe, this month, so that's why it's called Boxy Bash. I don't know why, but I can't find my words today. So because this is the birthday month of Boxycharm, there are going to be 6 items instead of the usual 4 to 5, which is fantastic. There is going to be a CoverFX code and a PUR Cosmetics code. So those 2 codes I will link down below. And yeah, let's get into the video. The first thing that I see on top is going to be this CoverFX blurring primer. This is a lightweight soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. This is a full-size product and this retails for $38. So now I would need a mirror. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna take a little dab of this. It doesn't smell like anything. I usually only use a small pea size, not even a pea size, very, very small amount. And it is tinted, like it kind of reminds me of the Benefit Professional, but we shall see. Oh no. Oh no, it's a little bit more tan than the Professional. It feels very soft. Oh yeah. I don't know if it's, I'm an eyelash. I don't know if it's blurring, but it is definitely mattifying. I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation. Okay, so I did my foundation. The pore filling primer, geez, what was it called? The blurring primer did an okay job. Like I said, it didn't fill the pores, but it definitely mattified them and made them look less accentuated. I also put some concealer on, that's why I'm like trying to tap it out, because after this I'm going to set my concealer. So the next thing I'm going to grab is this Aesthetica face brush. So it is a dome brush. It's very fluffy. It's not so dense. So let's see how this works. I didn't wet a beauty blender or anything or a makeup sponge. So I just applied my concealer. So I'm going to take the banana powder from Makeup Revolution and I'm just going to tap some out. I always make a mess, if you guys could only see. I always make a huge mess. So, let's see how this works. Okay. Ooh. Tap out any creases. The Aesthetica brush. Oh, yeah, let's see. I think this might be too soft for under eye. Oh yeah, see how that just, yeah. So let me just set this. I can already tell. This is probably better for blush. So I'm going to hold that off. And I'm going to set my under eye with this crown brush. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go into is the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. This has a angled brush, a liner brush, and a spoolie. I'm not going to use the angled brush because I don't have a pomade right now. So it'll be just the spoolie and the liner brush, I guess. I don't think, I don't think I'm going to use the spoolie because I think I already put gel product in my eyebrows. So, okay. So let's just go into this. This retails for $45. Okay, so here is the brow brush, which looks kind of thick. So I don't know if I would even use that as a brow brush. And then here is the spoolie. Feels good. And then here is the liner. So there's that. So I'm going to go in with the liner. And also this is the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Eyeliner. Highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. It's creamy and water resistant. The formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. And this retails for $24. And this is a hefty guy. There is 0.2 ounces in here, and it's very like old school. Old school. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so let's try to do this. Holy mackerel, that's deep in there. That's what she said. I'm just saying. Oh. 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 I don't know if you guys can see that. At first, it didn't look like it was going to move anywhere. Can you hear my daughter saying, "Daddy, Daddy, Daddy"? It didn't look like it was moving, but now. So we're just going to jump right into this bad boy. Okay, so winged eyeliner takes me forever, so I'm going to do this one off camera. But that doesn't look bad. It's not as sharp as I would like it. I would just say like the bristles aren't as densely packed as I would like it to be. But I mean, and also I feel like this, like the part of the brush where the bristles are inserted, I feel like that could be like, I don't know. I don't know if I even have. So there's one that comes with the Tartist Pro one. The Tartist Clay Paint Liner, and it's an angled bamboo, and I don't know, that brush is just a lot better, but this eyeliner is really good. The brush isn't terrible, but I mean, it's not a terrible wing, I don't think. Okay, so I did the other eye, and I'm very terrible at wings when I'm looking in like a little compact. So I tried to do it in a full mirror, and I don't know, do they match? Hopefully they match, because if not, there's nothing I could do about it. So I was going to use that face brush. This is the face brush. It is too big and round. That's what she said again. It's too big and round for underneath the eye. So I'm going to take some, I don't know, like would this be a good contour brush? Oh, Jesus. Alright, so I guess I could use this as a bronzer brush. So I'm going to take my favorite bronzer, and I'm going to pick up some product, tap some off. Oh yeah, this is good for bronzer. It has, when you push down on it, it has a wider, I guess, reach. I imagine, yeah. If you're just a little softer with it, it would work. So that's good. Bronzer. Yay. So this is what the box looks like now. We used the primer, the brush set, and the face brush. So this would be, wait, am I lying? What do we use? My daughter. Oh, and the ink gel liner. So we used 4 things, and like I said, this is the birthday month, so there's 6. So this would be, you would think this would be the last, but So this is called the PUR Sculptor Palette, a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave your skin sculpted to perfection while highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Eyeliner contours. I don't know what's wrong with me today. So I will try to swatch. Oh, that was super soft. So this is Originator. You guys can see that. Probably not. This is Trailblazer. They're pretty pigmented. First, I'm going to go into Inventor, which is this lighter contour shade. I'm scared it's going to be too dark. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to do it super, super duper lightly. I'll take the face brush that I used before just to like buff it out. Those shades look a little dark. I'll have to play with them more, but they do look very dark. And next I'll take my highlighter, my favorite highlighting brush, which is just the Real Technique setting brush. And I'm going to do Originator on my left side, so you're right. Oh, it's just getting worse. Oh yeah, let's just diffuse that situation. Holy pigment. I mean, I know that Pure Cosmetic highlighters are really good because I like the one from the other Boxycharm, but holy shitsies. So that was Originator. I'll take the fan brush and I'll put Inventor. Yeah, Trailblazer, sorry. That's Originator. I'll take Trailblazer. There we go. Go back to Originator, do the same thing. Oh, I think it's just Originator that's just so... I know my nose is crooked, people. You don't have to tell me. And then go back and grab Trailblazer. Use my finger, actually. Yeah, Trailblazer isn't that blinding. The last and final product is this. This is the Hand Skin Care Lip Gloss. And the shade is Nude Rose, which I think I've gotten like a nudie color in almost every box. I'm just going to add some setting spray really, really quickly because I'm extremely tired already. This lip gloss was really, really good. It says all natural lip gloss. It says healthy and natural. It feels really good. It definitely feels moisturizing. So yeah, I'm excited for that lip product. So I'm going to run down the list really, really quickly. The PUR Sculptor Palette I love. I absolutely loved it right off the bat. I'll have to play with the contour shades more, but it worked out perfectly fine. It doesn't look too dark. It didn't get anything muddy. I think it looks really good. The CoverFX Blurring Primer, I did like that. It definitely mattified my pores so they didn't look so big. And the foundation glided over my skin perfectly fine, so I definitely like that. The ink gel liner, I love that. This is such a good product to have. It definitely dries fast and it is smudge proof. I tried to smudge it off my hand and as you can see it's still there. So I love that. The 3-piece Aesthetica brushes, I only tried the one. I'll have to, I mean the spoolie worked, but a spoolie is pretty basic, but for a spoolie it's good. But yeah, I only like the one. I didn't like it for the Vulgar gel liner just because it was the Vulgar gel liner was a little bit too thick for that kind of brush, but with another product it might be perfect. The face brush I loved. It definitely buffed out the bronzer and the harsh contour that I had at first really, really well. And like I said, I loved the skincare, the hand skincare lip gloss. For any information on these products, everything will be linked down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And if you like this video, once again, please give it a thumbs up. And I think that's it. So as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.